kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Purple color. A for apple. A for apple. Orange color. B for ball. B for ball. Pink color. C for cat. C for cat. Yellow color. Light yellow color. D for donkey. D for donkey. Red color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Blue color. F for fish. F for fish. Purple color. G for God. G for God. Red color. H for hand. H for hand. Yellow color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Blue color. J for joker. J for joker. Yellow color. K for kite. K for kite. Pink color. L for lemon. L for lemon. Purple color. M for mango. M for mango. Red color. N for nose. N for nose. Yellow color. O for owl. O for owl. Purple color. P for piano. P for piano. Pink color. Q for queen. Q for queen. Black color. R for ring. R for ring. Pink color. S for sister. S for sister. Yellow color. T for tomato. T for tomato. Purple color. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Blue color. V for vegetable. V for vegetable. Yellow color. W for water. W for water. Red color. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Purple color. Y for yak. Y for yak. Pink color. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget, like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.